Okay, this series is backward bending today. Okay, so first we will start with the some neck movements or some joint movements like a warm up. Okay, so first is neck, joint is neck. So step first is inhale, then exhale, move your neck towards your left side and try to look left side as much as you can. Fully rotate your neck. Excellent. Inhale, look front. Exhalation will change right. Breath out and right. Move your neck. Again, inhale, look front. Exhale. Again, left. Inhale, look front. Exhale, right. Inhale, look front. Now exhale, up. Head up, look up. Yes, just press your neck up without any support. Fully look up. Push your chest to front side. Yeah, inhale, look front. Now exhalation with inhale, look front. Exhale to first pull your neck to front side. Then exhalation with down, chin to chest. Okay? Yeah, good. Chin to chest. Yeah. Inhale, look front. Now exhalation with up. Now using your thumb and press your neck to upside. Good. Fully up. Yes. Inhale, look front. Now exhale. Press your neck to downside. Using your palm for your upper head. Yeah. Inhale, look front. Exhalation with bend your neck. Third step. Side bend. Yeah. Inhale, then exhale, change. Again, inhale, then exhale, change. Now, press your neck to left side with using your left palm. Okay, right shoulder to right side. Feel this side stretch on your neck. Yeah, inhale, then exhale, change. Good. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhalation with fingertip on your shoulder, then shoulder rotation, elbow together, front of your chest. Make sure. Yes, 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, other side, change. Okay, change your side. Yes, 1, good. 2, 3, very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now inhale to raise your arms up. Again, here to arms up. Okay, exhalation with first left forearm. Left forearm, place your left forearm down, right over your head. Feel the side stretch. External oblique muscles, pectoralis major, deltoids, and bicep and tricep. Make sure your both buttocks on the ground. Don't lift your both buttocks up. Yes, stay 1. Ishan, arms over your head. Over your head, yes. Good. 2. Feel the side stretch, sir. Okay. 3. Ma'am, arms straight. 4 and 5. Inhale, come all the way up. Yeah. Exhalation will change your side. Now other side. Good. Forearm down. Sir, forearm. This one. Here to here. Yes. Excellent. 1. Adjust your buttocks down, sir. Don't lift up. Try to press your knees down. Yes. 2, 3. Ma'am, arms straight. 4, and 5. Now inhale, come all the way up, arms up, exhalation with right arm on your left knee. Okay, left is back. First, twist your lumbar, then after thorax, then after cervical. Twisting back, then after look back. Yeah, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale, arms up, come all the way up. Now exhalation with left on your right knee, right back, change your side. Twisting back, then after look back. Good. Stay there, 5 count, 5 breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, inhale, take it easy, arms up. Now exhalation with first try to do forward bend. Okay, try to bend with your lower spine, sacrum and coccygeal part using your L5, and try to touch your stomach on your thigh, head up and look front like this one is forward 90. Yeah, arms up, closer man, not like closer. Yeah, look front, stay there, head up. 1, good, look front. 2, very good answer. 3, 4, and 5. Exhalation with fully forward bend. Fully forward bend, head down. Yes. Walk your finger to front side, sir. Walk more. Try to do fully forward bend. Lengthen your spine. Align the spine. Spine is straight. Try. Keep trying. Head up and look front. Look front and walk. Good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale, come all the way up. Okay. Exhale. Palms down, forward your leg. Leg straight. Okay. So now we will work our hamstring and calf muscles and hip. Okay. Here is gluteus maximus, here is gastrocnemius maximus, and here is hamstring. When you do forward bending, so your muscles is working. Okay. When your muscles is flexible, so you can do easily forward bending. Okay. So grab your thigh inside. Okay. Yeah. Inhale to lift your leg up. Straight your knees. Try to do straight your knees. Don't bend your knees. If you're comfortable here, so you can do like only. Okay. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Hold, sir, hold. 1. Good. 2. More up. Sir, hold. Yes. 2, 3. Hold, sir. Stay there, stay. 10 count, hold. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Bend your knee. Cross your leg like this. Bend your knee and cross your leg. Okay. Inhale to arms up. Exhalation with bend forward. Okay. Yeah. Bend forward. Good. Feel this stretch on your calf muscles. Yes. Very good. 1, 2. Sir, keep trying to do more forward bend. Yes. 3, 4. Very good. 5. Inhale, come all the way up. Okay, inhale, come up, leg straight. Now change your leg. Change your leg. Good. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now inhale up, hold, up and hold. Hold, hold, good. Hold upside like 1. Very good. 2. Now knees straight. Now knees straight. Knees straight. 2. Try them. Keep trying. Knees straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, bend your knees and cross your legs. Yeah, same like before we do also. Yeah, inhale to arms up and exhale, bend forward. Very good. Yeah, stay. 1. Try to grab, use your both hands, sir. Both hands, use, yes. 2, very good. 3, 4, 5. Inhale up, then exhale, arms down, forward your legs. Okay, then relax your legs. Okay, take it easy, leg back, come into cat and cow pose. Majri and Vyagrasana. Ma'am, sir, do you know how to take a distance between your palm and knee? How much distance? You know how to take? Yes? You know and not. I am asking you, sir, you know how to take a distance? Yeah. And ma'am, also ma'am, what's your good name?
Hi, sorry, I'm Martine.
Yeah.
Sorry, what is
Okay. Question is how to take a distance between your knees and palm. How much distance? Like, how much distance? Do you know?
Oh, no.
Sir, you know? Sir?
Yeah, it's you make your body like a square, no?
Yeah. Shoulder, this one is shoulder. Shoulder is square, but first elbow down, forearm down, knees and forearm together.
Right.
Okay. Then here to lift your palm up, then one finger forward. Try to adjust one finger forward and place your palm down here. Look like this is distance. Other is also front. Like this. You take distance. Okay. First inhale to arch your spine. Push your navel center to downside. Push your spine to downside. This one is arch. And head up and look up. Okay. Exhale to curve. Okay. Push your navel center to upside, chin to chest. Exhale. Inhale, arch. Head up, look up. Exhale, curve. Inhale, arch. Exhale, curve. Inhale, arch. Exhale, curve. Inhale, arch. Head up, look up. Stay. 5 count, 5 breath. Stay. Look up. 1. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, right leg up. Vyagrasana. Tiger pose. Exhale. Forehead to knees. Touch your knees on your forehead. Feel the core strength. Inhale, leg back, head up, look up. Leg back, head up, look up. Yes, look up. Leg up. Yes. Exhale again, forehead to knee. Forehead to knee. Yes. Feel the core strength. Yeah. Inhale, leg back, head up, look up. leg back, head up, look up. Exhale, thoracotomy. Inhale, leg back, head up, look up. Exhale, thoracotomy. Now stay. Stay there. 5 count, 5 breaths. 5 breaths, stay. 1. Good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale, leg back, head up, look up. Now grab with opposite hand, your ankle. Okay, inhale to lift up more. Try to press with opposite direction. Feel the stretch on your shoulder and on your quadricep muscles and on your lower spine. Okay, yeah, make a balance. Good. 1 more, lift up, man. Just up. Try to adjust your front body to front side. When you adjust your body to front side, so you can make a balance easily, like front body front, not easy straight. If you do too light, so you can't make a balance. So adjust your body front, then after lift up. Okay, yeah. 3, very good, excellent. 4, you 3 men, very good. 5, okay, exhale. Okay, palms down, other. This one is front side, and cross your leg. Other feet is open. Then sit back. Gomukha Asana, cow pose. Okay, Gomukha Asana, cow pose. Both knees followed by the one line. Okay, first press your knees and set your knees. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, arms up. Our right leg is up. That's why our right arm up. Okay, left down and grab back side. Is light. Yeah. Close your eyes. Feel the posture. Very good. Close your eyes. Feel the posture. Yes. 1, 2. Feel the stretch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we will try here to do twisting. Twisting is like knees up using your opposite hand. Okay, then twist and inside. Okay, grab it up other and look back. Like. Yes, very good. Ma'am, feet flat. Ma'am, feet flat. Feet is flat. Like. Feet is like. Not up. Like flat. Both feet flat. Like this. Yeah, excellent. 1, very good. 2, push your knees down. Yeah. 3, very good. 4 and 5. Inhale up. Arms up. Okay. Now exhale to arms down. Come up. Cat and cow pose. Inhale, arch your spine, head up, look up. Yeah. Now lift your other leg up. Left up. Exhale, thoracotomy. Exhale, thoracotomy. Inhale, leg back, head up, look up. Exhale, thoracotomy. Inhale, leg back, head up, look up. Exhale, forward to knee. Inhale, leg back, head up, look up. Exhale, forward to knee, stay. Stay there, 5 count, 5 breath, hold. 1, good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale, leg back side, grab with opposite hand. Leg back side, grab with opposite hand and lift up. Yeah, excellent. 1. Very good, sir. 2. Only shift your body weight to front side. Yeah. Good. 2. Very good. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, this one is front. Cross your leg. Also, this one is also front and cross your leg. Gomukhasana. Other side. First, press your knees 5 counts. 1. Adjust your knee. Adjust your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, raise your arms up. This time, left up, right down. Left up and right down. And now again, grab. Back side light. If you're not comfortable, so you can use belt. Not comfortable, so like backside belt. Shorter, 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 and shorter. Okay? Yes, good, sir. Hold. 1. Ma'am, arms straight. Ma'am, arms is like, not like this. Like try. Try to back, not front. Okay, back. Yes. 2. Very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Inhale. Here is also twisting leg. Change your side and twisting. Twist like inside your arm and grab. Look back. Good. Yeah. Knees. Not. Man, opposite hand. This one, opposite hand. Using your opposite hand. Not same. Look. This one is Gomukhasana. Okay. This one is my opposite hand. Not same. Left leg and right arm. Left leg, right arm. First, that knee. Okay. Then inside. Inside and back. Grab. Look back. Feet is flat. Very good. 1. Good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come back. Relax your shoulder first. Take your shoulder. Okay. Then front leg front. Take your leg. Okay. Then after, take it easy. Come all the way up. Okay. Now we will do sun salutation. Surya Namaskara. Sun salutation. Okay. Sir, do you know how to do? Do you know how to do?
Yeah.
Alignment.
What
You know alignment. Surya Namaskara, how to do alignment and technique. You know?
Yeah, but you can tell us also.
Can alignment? Yes, sorry, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. You can tell us.
Okay.
Kind of.
Okay.
Kind of.
Okay. Okay. Feet together, toes together. Okay. Coming to top of the mat, take a 1 feet difference. Feet together and toes together. Knee step little bit back. Okay. Tailbone in, belly in, sternum up. Roll your shoulder back. Shoulder down, rolling your trapezius muscles also. Rolling to backside and down. Chin parallel to front of your chest, palm beside of your thigh. This one is Samastiti. Step first, exhale, 1, Prannamasana. Step 2, inhale, raise your arms up and arch back. Step 3, exhale, bend forward, Padastasana. Yeah, yes. Grab your ankle and try to do forward bend, man. Grab your ankle is like. If you want, so you can open your feet. Grab your ankle and try to do forward bend. First, touch your stomach on your thigh and chest on your knee. Yeah. Good. Go down and more. Try. Excellent. Step 4, inhale, right leg back, horse riding pose. Right leg back, horse riding pose. Ashtu Sanchalan Asana. Inhale, head up, look up. Head up, look up. Okay. Make sure your front knee is 90-degree ankle. Not is like. Don't take a pressure on your tendon part. Tendon part is okay. Release. Back toe tuck in. Don't take a pressure on your back knee. Back knee is relaxed. When you tuck your feet in, so automatically stretch not your knees. Okay. Try to press your hip down. This portion. Try to feel the stretch on your calf muscles. Sorry. Here, hamstring, gluteus maximus, and quadriceps. Here. Feel the stretch here. If you're not comfortable with palms down, so you can use your finger cup shape and look up. Ashta Sanchalan Asana, horse riding pose. Okay. Exhale, other leg back, plank pose. Inhale, look front, little bit inhale, then exhale. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Ashtanga Namaskar, 8 angle pose. Inhale, cobra. Roll your shoulder back. Push your spine to back side. Head up, head front. Cobra facing is always front. If you want to more stretch on your spine, so you can look up. Otherwise, cobra facing is always front. 8, exhale, toe tuck in first, toe tuck in, lift your knees up and lift your hip up. Come into mountain pose, Parvatasana. Heels down, heels down. Nine, inhale, right leg front between your both palms. Right leg front between your both palms. Yeah, finger cup shape. If you're not comfortable to palms down, look up. Try to push your buttocks down. Exhale, other leg front, then bend forward, Padastasana. Forward bend. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch back. Exhale, Prannamasana, then Samastiti. Okay, again, try. Yeah. Exhale, Prannamasana. Good. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch back. Arms up and arch back. Good. Exhale, bend forward, Padhastasana. Yeah. Keep trying to do fully forward bend. Yes. Shorter, hand down, more down, sir. Hand down, more, knees straight. Very good, sir. Knees straight, try to do knees straight. Good. Inhale, left leg back. This time, left leg back, horse riding pose. Step 4, counting 4, left leg back, horse riding pose. Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. Make sure your front knee is 90 degrees. Yeah, more front, more. Good. Exhale, other leg back, plank pose. Santulana Asana, plank pose. Yes, good. Inhale short, then exhale, knees down, chin down, chest down. 8 angle pose, Ashtanga Namaskar. 7, inhale, feet flat, hip flat, come into cobra pose. Good, very good, sir. 8, exhale, flow tuck in, lift your knees up, lift your hip up, come into mountain pose, Parvatasana. Good. Good. 9, inhale, left leg front side. Yeah, horse riding pose. Look up, sir, look up. Good. Exhale, other front, bend forward, Padhastasana. Just keep trying to do fully forward bend here. Very good. Don't shake, sir. Stay. Don't shake. Yeah. 11, inhale, raise your arms up, then arch back. 12, exhale, Pranamasana, then Samasthiti. Okay, then backward bending to after do twisting. This called Dukati Chakrasana. Okay, first raise your chest front side, one shoulder press to back side, and other palm is back side like. Shoulder back, then inhale, exhale. Twist your spine first. Twisting your spine like 1. Okay, 2, very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Okay, again, round 3. Okay, round 3 again. 4 rounds. Okay, round 3. Exhale, Pranamasana. Samasthiti, first exhale, Pranamasana. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch back. Exhale, bend forward, Padhastasana. Good. Hold. Very good, ma'am. Yes. Good. Step 4, inhale, right leg back, horse riding pose, Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. Yeah, make sure your front knee is 90 degrees. Look up. Five, exhale, other leg back, plank pose. Santulanasana. Yes. Inhale short, then exhale. 6, knees down, chest down, chin down. Ashtanga Namaskar, 8 angle pose. 7, feet flat, hip flat. Inhale, cobra. Push your spine to front side, then after lift up. Cobra pose. Yes. 9, exhale, toe tuck in, lift your knees up, lift your hip up, come into mountain pose, Parvatasana. Nine, inhale, right leg front, horse riding pose. Look up. 10 exhale, other front bend forward Padhastasana. 11 inhale, raise your arms up, arch back. 12 Pranamasana, Samsthiti. Okay, one more last round. Okay, 1 exhale, Pranamasana. 2 inhale, raise your arms up, arch back. 3 exhale, bend forward Padhastasana. 4 inhale, left leg back, horse riding pose. 5 exhale, other back, plank pose, Santulanasana. 6 knees down, chest down, chin down, Ashtanga Namaskar, 8 angle pose. 7 inhale, cobra. 8 exhale, mountain. Nine inhale, left leg front, horse riding pose. 10 exhale, other front, bend forward Padhastasana. 11 inhale, raise your arms up, then after arch back. 12 exhale, Pranamasana, then Samsthiti. Okay, now do Kati Chakrasana, twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Okay, now after today's backward bending section, so after is I will explain you one more 16 count. This is called Chandra Namaskar. Okay, moon sun salutation. Okay, this one is counting 16 with complete one set. First one is Surya Namaskara, counting 12 with complete one set. Okay, this one is counting 16 with complete one set. How? Like, okay, Samsthiti is same, front of the mat, take a 1 feet difference. Okay, then axial Pranamasana, step first. 1 is same. Okay, 2, inhale, raise your arms up and arch back. 3, exhale, bend forward, Padhastasana. 4, inhale, right leg back, horse riding pose. Okay, and 5, here to 5, inhale to arms up and try to do backward bending. As much as you can, try to do backward bending. Okay, in the 5 position here. Backward bending and 6, arms down, then easily change your leg. 6. Okay, then again 7, inhale, arms up and backward bend. Here also try to do backward bend. Okay, 8, palms down. 9, plank pose. 10, knee down, chest down, chin down, Ashtanga Namaskar. 11, inhale, cobra. Okay, 12, exhale, mountain. 13, inhale, right leg front, horse riding pose. 14, exhale, other front, bend forward, Padhastasana. 15, inhale, raise your arms up and arch back. 16, Pranamasana, then Samsthiti. This one is little bit longer, but here is only one step is changed. Okay. Do you want to ask anything about this? You want question?
This is a moon salutation.
Yes, sir.
This is called moon salutation.
Moon. Yeah. Moon. Okay. Chandra Namaskar.
Chandra
When you
Namaskar.
do like this, when you do like backward bending, this one is Chandra Namaskar. Okay.
Thank you.
Anything else?
No, good.
Okay. 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 Feet together, toes together. Coming to top of the mat, take up 1 feet distance. Okay. First exhale, Pranamasana. Inhale, raise your arms up and arch back. Exhale, bend forward, Padasana. Hold your ankle and keep trying to do. Push yourself to forward bend. Push yourself to down. Try to do fully forward bend. 3. Yes. 4. Inhale, right leg back. Okay. 5. Inhale, raise your arms up and arch back. Yes. Good. Arms up, arch back. Very good. Excellent. 6. Palms down. Then change your leg. Change your leg. Leg change. Yes, sir. 7. Inhale, raise your arms up and arch back. Very good. 8. Exhale, palms down, horse riding pose. 9. Other leg back. Yeah, plank pose. Inhale short, exhale long. 10. Knees down, face down, chin down. Ashtanga Namaskar, 8 angle pose. 11. Inhale, cobra. 12. Exhale, mountain. So take any mountain. 13. Inhale, right leg front, horse riding pose. Good, very good. 14. Exhale, other leg front and bend forward, Padasana. 15. Inhale, raise your arms up and arch back. 16. Pranamasana and Samastiti. Okay. So after warm up, this one is warm up. Okay. Asana is first cobra pose. Then second is bow pose, Dhanurasana. Then after is Salavasana. Okay. Then Ustrasana. Okay. Chakrasana. Will pose. This one is different posture. Okay. So if you want, so we can do first will pose, Chakrasana. If you comfortable, so you can do. Like will pose is lay down like this. Okay. Then after, take it easy, palms down, back side, like. Okay. Feet down. Then inhale to first lift your hip up and lift your body up. Try to here shift your body weight on your palms and on your legs. Okay. Try to shift your thorax region. Try to bend your thorax region. Try to straight your elbow. Okay. When your shoulder blade is flexible, so you can do easily. Okay. Step first is like arms down and take it easy up. Okay. And little bit advance. First try, man. Try. Then try. Good. Very good, sir. Good. Very good. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Eggs will come back. Relax. Okay. Then little bit advanced thing is standing to go into chakrasana. Okay. So helping technique is standing to chakrasana. Like first I will show you how to do with standing to chakrasana. Here is standing chakrasana. Okay, here, then arms up. Okay, then open your feet. Okay, first push your buttocks to front side. Okay, buttocks to front side. Then do first backward bend. Backward. Then arms down. Chakrasana. Okay, helping technique is you can do like use wall. Using wall, take a one hand distance is like. Using wall, take a one hand distance. Then arms up and try to do here backward. Then arms down, take it easy. Arms down, and will pose. Then after up, and up. Okay, but do take it easy. When your back is open, so after you can do. Otherwise not. Okay, sir. Take it easy, sir. Okay, आराम से करना सर.
हाँ सर, मेरा थोड़ा बैक में प्रॉब्लम हुआ था अभी कुछ दिन पहले, तो मैं ये कोशिश नहीं करूंगा.
तो रहने दीजिए सर अभी.
मैं फॉरवर्ड बेंड करता हूँ बॉल के साथ. मैं वो प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ. आपका वीडियो भी देखा.
टेक इट इजी. हाँ, टेक इट इजी सर. ओके.
यस सर.
या, वेरी गुड. वाओ. You Tori ma'am, very good, excellent. Martin ma'am, very good, excellent. Wow. Come back, Martin ma'am. Take it easy, come back. Wow, very good. Okay, now forward bend. Exhale, forward bend. Counter pose. Counter pose is forward bend. Okay, yeah. Release your body to front side and keep trying to do fully forward bend. Good, excellent. Okay, enough, come back. Next, backward bending posture is, okay, Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Okay, so first modified one is like, okay, palm beside of your chest and lift your body up. Keep trying to open your thorax. Here to bend only thorax region, thorax part. Not use your lumbar. Only try with do to backward bend with thorax. Okay, like here. Okay, then after is advanced one is take it easy like that. Okay, then here try to do head back and leg is like and backward bend. Okay. This one is advanced one. Yeah, very good. You told him, ma'am, very good, excellent. Yes, just push your body to back side as much as you can. Yeah, hand back. So this one is advanced, so you can do modified and okay, half one hold, not do full one. ओके जैसे जैसे आपके बैकवर्ड बैंडिंग फ्लेक्सिबल होगी, वैसे वैसे आप एडवांस करना. ओके ओके सर. या नाउ यू कैन होल्ड हियर only. Look up and use your cervical. Yes, good. 1 2, come back. 3 4 and 5. Easily come back. Okay, counter pose is Adhwasana. Okay, upper body to front side and lower body to down side. This one, Bhujanga Asana, counter pose is Markatasana. Okay, Markatasana is like elbow together and your hand to palm to chin. Okay, elbow front, heels out, heels in and toes out. Back direction, feet direction is like heels out and toe, heels in, toe out. Okay, and here Ujjayi breath. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, come back. Okay, next one is Dhanurasana. Okay, bow pose, Dhanurasana. So you can first we will do to beginning Dhanurasana, then after advance. Okay, beginning stage is like first grab your ankle like this. Okay, then inhale to lift up. This one is beginning stage. सर आपको यही वाला करना है, ठीक है. And advance, little bit advance is like, ma'am, do you want to do advance one? You told me, ma'am, you want advance. So advance is like grab your ankle like this. Okay, then first lift up and roll your shoulders to front side, leg straight. Okay, just like, okay, like ankle and yeah, yes, both ma'am, both, very good, excellent. Yes, 1 good, 2 stage, ma'am. Wow, come into stomach, ma'am, like here, not thighs, using your stomach down. Okay, now other is also hold. Don't use your lumbar too much, keep trying to use your thorax. Okay, I know your lumbar is very flexible. Your lumbar is too good. Your lumbar is too good, man. So flexible. Keep trying to use your thorax part. Okay, stomach down, like stomach is down. First lift your leg up and grab hold with light. Then inhale to up. Okay, only stomach down, not thighs. Yeah, up. Very good, excellent. Yes, arms up, arms straight, run. Try to press upside, up, more, very good. 1 Excellent. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Wow, very good. Okay, relax. Relax. Adhvasana. Front side, arms front side, leg back side. Yeah, relax. Adhvasana. Okay, take it easy. Come up. Okay. First, bend your knee. Come into child pose. Here is child is different. Okay, knees open. Knees open. Try to touch your chin and chest down. And hand is front side like. Back straight, chin down and chest down. Yeah. Keep relax your lumbar part. Yes. Good. Hold. 1, 2. Look front. Martina ma'am, look front. Arms straight. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up. Okay, stand up. Then leg is front side. Okay, now backward bending. Backward bending to after do forward bending. So here is first we do Janu Sirsasana and Paschimottanasana and some twisting pose. Twisting posture also. Okay, so when you do forward bending and twisting posture, so your back pain is released. Okay, when you do backward bending posture, so now you have pain your back spine. So when you do forward bending and twisting posture, so back pain is released. That's why we do first backward to after forward bending and twisting also. Okay, so here Janu Sirsasana is like, okay, first rotate your calf muscles out, shape your tendon part. Okay, thighs, feet beside of your thigh, touch like, not is down, only like here, distance. Okay, not lift your knees up. Here to first try to do curving. First here curve. Okay, backward to after first doing curving. Curve ma'am, Yutori ma'am, curve, only curve, like curve. Yes, curve, yes, good. 1, not lengthening your spine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, head up. Okay, now hold your ankle, then inhale and exhale, fully forward bend. Stomach on your thigh, chest on your knees, head on your shin bone. Yeah, fully forward bend, good. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back. Okay, relax. Now change your leg. Leg change. Sir, leg change. सर जितना होल्ड करोगे आप उतनी मसल्स पे आपको वो मिलेगा स्ट्रेच और उतनी आपकी बॉडी खुलेगी. अगर आप होल्ड नहीं करोगे तो फिर आपकी बॉडी नहीं खुल सकती. ठीक है, होल्डिंग कैन इंप्रूव योर बॉडी. ओके, चेंज योर लेग. इनहेल, फर्स्ट एक्सहेल, कर्व. फर्स्ट ट्राई टू डू कर्व, ओनली कर्व, not lengthening your spine. Yes, hold. 1, 2, good. Head down, head, chin to chest. 3, good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now inhale, come up, grab your wrist like inhale, then exhale, forward bend. Yes, good. 1, yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come back. Paschimottanasana. Okay, Paschimottanasana. Forward bending posture. Okay, back straight like first inhale to arms up, then exhale to bend forward. Okay, now try to do fully forward bend here as much as you can. Yeah, exhalation with forward. Good. Hold. 1. Sir, if you want, so you can use belt. Sir, belt is like grab your toe with belt and walk front side. Yeah. Good. 2, 3, 20 count, hold. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Inhale, come up. Counter pose is Purvottanasana. Counter pose Purvottanasana. Inhale, arms up, then arms is backside like. Okay, first release, relax your upper body, look up like. Okay, then after inhale to up, toe down and body up, look back. Good. 1, good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back, relax. Okay, then after last two twisting posture. Twisting. Okay, first one is Ardha Matsyendrasana Asana. Okay, try to do lower twisting, lower spine twisting. Okay, so here to adjust your bend your first, here to bend your right, then left is side. Like inhale to lift your right up, opposite, and grab your thigh only. Grab your thigh. Okay, then after twist and twist. As much as you can, try to twist your lower spine. Yes, more back, more, good. 1, try to more twisting back. 2, very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, inhale, come back. Exhalation will change your side. Same thing with other side. Okay? Yeah, change your side. Very good. Excellent. Good. Look back. Then opposite hands. Yes. Backward. Sir, feet को पूरा down करना है. Flat मत करो sir. Feet down करो. ये ऐसे. ये down ऐसे है. ये ऐसे flat है ये down हो गया. हाँ. Yes sir. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, come back. Last one is sit any comfortable posture. Okay, then right palm on your left knee, left on your Last palm on your right thigh, like grab your thigh and keep trying to do twisting here. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, change your side. Good. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Okay, relax. Okay, you have any question?